If you are looking for the best commode, which has a great flushing ability, that to 60 with cost effectiveness, then you can go for CERA Champ 6D. So it's a six dimensional and it's a great product which you can use, and you can also get it online. You can go to any CERA store nearby your place and you can get this. The best part is it is very cost effective and the service is also good. You will get 2-year warranty with 10-year warranty for the flushing and the body or any mechanical issue you get. So it's a great buy and you can go for it. You can also compare, you can check the reviews and then go for it. Have a wonderful day.